Hello everyone! There's something about these cookies that feels a lot more joyful than a regular one. Today, I'm making a batch of mini popcorn cookies. Want to learn how to make them? Then just keep watching. Starting with a clean dry bowl, we will take room temperature unsalted butter. A slightly bit firm, not too soft. And I've kept mine a bit firmer than usual. That's because of the humidity around here. Next, we will add some icing sugar. Home ground powdered sugar works just as well. Simply cream the butter and sugar with the help of a spatula. If you'd like to use jaggery, that's a great option too, but just make sure it's finely powdered so it melts easily when baking. Keep a creamy consistency until the mixture is well emulsified. This is the texture we're looking for. Now go ahead and add some room temperature milk, along with vanilla extract. The vanilla is optional. Feel free to skip it if you don't have it, but I'd recommend adding it as it gives a great flavor to the cookies. Mix it until you get a smooth, creamy consistency, just like I've shown here. Now go ahead and add the dry ingredients, that is the all-purpose flour, a bit of cornstarch, and some baking powder. Fold it in gently with the help of the spatula, and try not to overmix it. This way the cookies will stay light and airy. The recipe is meant to have a pipeable consistency, so your dough should look just like I've shown here, and not like the kind that you would knead with your hands. Set that aside and grab a piping bag or a Ziploc bag to fill in the dough. A quick note here, since the baking powder has already been activated once mixed in, this isn't a dough that you can save for later. It's best to use it right away. What I'm doing here is using my bent scraper to push all the dough forward towards the tip. This also helps to remove the air pockets there may be. That's done. Go ahead and take your tray lined with parchment paper, and using the piping bag, pipe out tiny small dollops, just like I've shown here. Go ahead and repeat the same for the rest of the dough, and try to keep each one roughly the same size. It helps the cookies to bake evenly. And I think this is a great moment to bring your little ones in for some fun. Let them pipe out their own shapes, or even letters maybe. Now top them with some chopped chocolate, and feel free to swap this out for whatever you like. Maybe some white chocolate or chopped nuts, or even candied fruit. That way you can turn this into a fun assorted batch of mini popcorn cookies. Do give it a try and let me know what combinations you go with. And the reason I call them popcorn cookies is because you can bake them and pop them anytime you want. These will go into the preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now since they are so small, keep an eye on them as every oven works differently. So you may just want to slightly lower the temperature or reduce the time by a minute or two. And there you have it, tiny, perfectly baked popcorn-sized cookies, golden on the top and bottom. By the way, if you're looking for more simple beginner-friendly recipes like this one, do check out my ebook. Just drop a comment below and I'll send the details to you. Time to see how they've turned out. Crisp edges, light and airy inside, with the softest little crumb. Honestly, this might be one of the easiest cookies you'll ever make, and one of the most satisfying to watch your little ones enjoy them. Not just as an evening snack, or maybe it might just turn out to be a great swap for their morning cereal with milk. You can also share a picture of your creations on my Instagram page. I'll leave the link for my Instagram page in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.